Hello, welcome to Gavin Luke Production. We're back now, and then we're gonna go. We bought the PlayStation Portal. Okay, so we got this and that. Okay, you see, and then yep, you can see it. Yeah, and then this. We bought it for Best Buy from now. That it's cool now. This is cool. And you bought this. And you, okay. This is here. Okay. And you bought that. Alright, let's open it. Let's go check this out. I'm so excited. Oh my god! What? Oh my goodness! Ay, wala yan. Dude! Wow! Oh, charger, okay. My god. That's mine. Oh, we got a charger. Yep. Okay. See? I think should be have stuff here. Nobody? No one? Alright. Cool. Alright, it's time to set up.